Did you know that drinking water upside down can instantly stop your hiccups? Sounds bizarre, right? This quirky trick works by disrupting the rhythm of your diaphragm. Hiccups are caused by involuntary contractions of the diaphragm, and when you drink water upside down, you force your body to realign its focus, shifting the muscle spasms. This unconventional position changes the pressure in your esophagus, helping to reset the diaphragm's erratic movements. Next time you're caught in a hiccup frenzy, grab a glass of water, tilt forward, and drink from the far side of the glass. Not only does this trick work like magic, but it also leaves your friends intrigued by your newfound life hack expertise. It's a weird science-backed solution that's as fascinating as it is effective.